Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2025 Kawasaki KLX 110R. This is going to be the beginner bike for a Kawasaki, 110 cc's. A lot of great features about this bike make it for that beginner rider. So 110 cc's, it is an automatic. So what I mean by that is you don't have the clutch lever up here, but you're still going to shift through the gears. So for some of you that don't want the shift, the clutch for them, this is the bike to get them to learn how to shift through the gears and everything. Has an electric start, so it makes it easy for them to hop on and go. Also has backup kill start in case that battery does die. So doesn't mean they're out of order if they can't fire up the bike and everything, but great beginner bike for those of you. Even some of you have gone to pit bike races and jumped on a bike like this. So if you're looking for something like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.